Hello and welcome, John Kroner with Bullseye Trader. And I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Monday, November the 12th, 2018. And today, I've been trying to show you some of the different scanners that we have within our system. And the one I'm going to show you today is our Extreme Master Blaster, which some of the guys put together. It's multi-strategy. As you can see here, it has several strategies, extreme volume in the $2 to $10 range, extreme volume over 10, low float, extreme volume with a 52-week high and with an all-time high. And this one here, RSLS, triggered at 10:02 on this scanner at a price of $4.19. And let me go ahead and move this over here a little bit so that we can see where it came in here. And there we go on the 1 minute chart. You can see here right at 419. And if you were watching this or possibly alerted through another window, if you would have got in down here, this would have been more ideal, because once it got over the break of 3, it really took off, okay? And what this one did, as soon as it caught its breather here with this one red candle, is where it triggered, and you'd have been able to get into this. Now, you would have had to have been pretty fast, but you can see it made it all the way up here to 732. It did pull back right away afterwards, but it sure did have a very, very nice run in a very short period of time. So you could have made some serious money with that. So let me go ahead and get that out of the way. And, and just for full disclosure here, I want to let you know that I am an affiliate with Trade Ideas, and that's why I do kind of, show their software here and their scanning. And the whole idea is I really believe their software can help you be a better trader and make more money. And they do offer a lot of good stuff to help you with that. And one thing we do offer is this free book, 5 Ways to Win in a Post-BTFD Market. And the other reason I'm showing this is normally the day I show this, the next day the market rebounds. So let's see if I'm as lucky today as I am. But here is the link for that. This is absolutely free, whether you subscribe to Trade Ideas or not. And by the way, our newest subscriber was Nicholas S. So I want to thank you, Nicholas, for taking advantage of the full year of Trade Ideas. You're going to love it. Take advantage of all the options available to you to learn how to use that software. But this free ebook is one too, to help you to learn how to trade on the short side. So it's an amazing ebook. Love for you to have it. And once again, if you would want to try out our software, you just go to this link right here. We have standard pricing and premium pricing. And premium, you get the Holly. And also for another day or two here, you will also get our interactive Brokerage Plus module, okay? The Brokerage Plus is what is going to be needed to auto trade, which is coming real soon. So if you get it now, you will get that for absolutely free, and you will be grandfathered in by buying the premium package. And starting in a couple of days, you will be charged an extra $1,100 one-time fee if you want to take advantage of that. And they're only going to be offering 1,000 subscriptions to that plan. So now is a great time to take advantage of the premium and get in. You could always take the monthly plan and do the premium. That would get you grandfathered in as well. And if you use the promo code Bullseye15, I can save you 15% off your first month or your first year. So it is great software. Now let's go ahead and get a quick look here and see what happened with the markets. And you can see here the diamonds, we continued the pullback here. And we're just, bounced off of the 20 or resting on the 20. You can see we closed very near to lows. Not quite, but very near. And we had above average volume in the diamonds. So, a big pullback there. The Qs very, very big pullback here. It's definitely looking like a rollover and like there might be more short side. Of course, you never know what this market may bring, but it's not looking real good. A little bit above average volume there, and you can see we closed very, very near to the lows as well. The spiders, they continued that pullback. This 280 mark here seemed to have been the big thing. It was, either support or resistance, and we kind of went up. We bounced off of it. Now we're headed back down. Had we not done that, we would have had a V, which normally does not happen. So it's very common to see a pullback. The big question now is, are we going to bounce and head back up, or is it going to continue coming down? So very, very interesting. And you can see average volume there as well, and you can see closed very, very near the lows. And IWM, same story all over again. Big pullback. It's looking pretty drastic at this point. Certainly looks like a rollover, and like we just had a little bounce here to the upside, and now it's going back down. About average volume, and closed near the lows. So a little bit of trouble in the markets. Of course, the bond market was closed today, so there was no bond trading. There was no banks, no post office, none of those kinds of things. So tomorrow could be interesting. We'll have to see, what happens. Hopefully, we'll get a bounce, but you just can't predict this market. We'll just see what happens. Now, a quick look at Holly. Holly Grill had 13 trades today. She lost 26 cents. And her risk on, though, she made $3.11. Let's take a look and see what trades might have looked good in there. And we had a short NDAQ for a 29-cent profit. And you can see where she got in it here, and she sold it there. She got out for a timed exit. But take a look here. Had you stayed in till the end of the day, there was a $1.17 profit waiting for you. And that was the best in risk on and risk off. Now we'll jump over to Holly 2.0, 12 trades, $2.63 profit, risk on profit $2.81. And we'll take a look here as well. We had 2 trades with a 71-cent profit. We had Z, bullish trend change. Okay, so if we take a look at this one here, you can see she got in it here. And had you stayed in till the end of the day, though, you would have lost some. You would have only been up 32 cents. So, this one here, and you can see this is one that had been headed down, and she got a nice bounce, and Holly recognized that was going to happen. And on the risk on, we have that NDAQ again, so we're not going to go ahead and look at that anymore. And Holly Neo had 14 trades for a profit of $1.46. And the risk on profit $1.65. Let me go ahead and move these charts up a bit here to make it easier to see everything. And let's see here. We had 71 cents on AAN. That was a short trade putting on the brakes. And let's take a look over here. Putting on the brakes is normally 62.1% win percentage. Today it had a 100% win percentage, which was probably just the AAN and 71 cents profit. And you can see here, got in here, got out. Had you stayed in until the end of the day, though, $1.18. So, if you have Holly, I'd suggest that you keep an eye on some of the shorts, especially on a day that is going down, because she definitely, tends to make more profit on the shorts. Of course, some longs she does very well on also, but that was the best trade on the risk off and the risk on. So that is your report for today, and I want to thank you, and God bless.